Hi Sir Teo. Today we will show you how we use a CI/CD pipeline to automatically check, test, and deploy our web application. So this process makes sure our code is always working and ready to use without manual effort. So first is um, the tools we are using. So we use PyTest to test the functionality of our code, React Testing Library, or what we call RTL. So test our React components from the user's perspective, and just DOM. So add commands for checking UI elements. So basically these three items here are what we used for unit testing. So fourth is ESLint. So checks if our code is clean and follows best practices. So meaning this runs for code quality. So checks formatting of code and the code style. And fifth is Vercel. So deploys the web app online. So basically is where we deployed our web app. So the overview of the pipeline. So step in the pipeline. So get the latest code, downloads the newest changes from GitHub. Second, install dependencies, installs tools and libraries needed to run the web app. Lint the code, checks code style and formatting. And fourth, run tests, ensures the app works as expected. And fifth is deploy to Vercel. So uploads the web app if all checks pass. So our workflow file. So since we use GitHub, so we have this configuration for CI dedicated for GitHub using GitHub Actions. So here we have name of continuous integration and deployment. So this line here runs when a code is pushed or a pull request is created for master or dev branches. And the steps is runs on Ubuntu latest. So this checks will run on Ubuntu latest. And the step is get the latest code. And second, install dependencies. So installs all libraries the project needs. And step 3, run linting. So that checks code style and formatting with using with the command of pnpmlint. And finally, we run the test or the unit testing. So runs test using bytest, RTL, and just DOM to ensure the app works. So we run this. We use these libraries here to run the unit testing. So after all tests passed, the pipeline uses Vercel CLI to deploy the app. So Vercel automatically detects the framework. Example, we are using Next.js and builds the app. So the app goes live with a zero config deployment, meaning no extra setup is needed. And the Vercel will do the deployment for us. So next is let's see it in action. So let's push a small change to the master branch, or I mean the dev branch. Mm, Dashboard, let's remove this class name. So here we have a small change for removing empty class names, since we don't have any class for this container. So let's try to push this change. Class. So basically, so we pushed a small change to the dev branch. So GitHub Actions will download the code, install dependencies, run linting and test, and finally deploy the app to Vercel if everything passes. So you can see here we have the change. So this run all the steps we predefined from the config. So run lint. So we see that all the checks pass. So the change or the app will automatically deploy to Vercel. So you can see change here. So now it is now building the application ready for deployment. So deployment completed. So so the live app is now ready. So you can see sign in. So it is now ready. So in summary, how to summarize, we use GitHub Actions for automated uh, testing and checks. And the pipeline uses Vitest, React testing library, just DOM and ESLint for quality control. And if everything passes here, the app is automatically deployed to here, which is the Vercel platform. And that's all. Thank you.